The circular economy is a new way of conceptualising the way that products are designed, manufactured and eventually disposed of.
In the Western economic model, we've thought about the economy as you farm or mine materials and then you produce them, manufacture them, then you consume them, and all along the way there's waste. How can we avoid all of those materials from ending up in waste? How can we reuse them? What else can we make out of them so that in the end, what we put into landfill is much more sustainable?
In Australia, electronics waste is a big problem. In the year 2016 to 17, there were 485,000 tonnes of electronic waste that ended up in landfill. That's equivalent to 10 laptops per person for that year alone. Electronics waste in landfill can be quite dangerous. You've got alkaline batteries, you've got lead batteries that contribute to environmental degradation and make that land difficult to use in the future. So the electronic bike that's sitting behind me uses a number of different components that would have just ended up in landfill. The electronics component of it use old laptop batteries that otherwise would have gone into environments and could have caused environmental harm. Although they've had a full life as laptop batteries, they're finding a second life here as parts of this bike, and they work just as any power bank would on an electric bike. They work just as well.
So we process over 200,000 kilos a year. When you start adding up numbers, we're 8 years into our journey now. Getting up towards 1.5 million kilograms of electronic waste, that's a big number.
But the benefits of building one of these electronic bikes out of recycled materials is obviously you stop materials going to landfill, which can be potentially environmentally hazardous. But you also end up with a bike that has components that you can repair yourself. So if something in this battery fails, if a component fails, you can pull it apart, identify which component has failed, replace it with something else that you've harvested from potential landfill.
I mean, the circular economy is us all working together on the one project. The project is the place, the land, the planet on which we live.
It's realising that people are able to do these things in their daily lives and create their own circular economy.